Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope everybody is doing fine. Hope you are good. Please be safe. Today we are making Nigerian salad. We are using beetroot, cucumber, cabbage, sweet corn, carrots, boiled egg, salad cream or salad dressing. You can make use of mayo and baked bean. This beetroot I'm using today is highly nutritious. Beetroot is packed with fiber, vitamin B9, manganese, vitamin C. Is highly nutritious. If you haven't made use of beetroot in your salad before, please, you are missing out. You have to try it. Cucumber is highly nutritious as well. It has power of hydration. It is rich in electrolytes and has high level of antioxidants. If you don't have salad dressing, you can make use of mayo. You can add a little ketchup to it and a teaspoon of lemon juice. It will give you the same taste as this salad dressing. You know, our carrot is very good. It has high level of soluble fiber and is packed with vitamin A. And as for our cabbage is highly nutritious. Cabbage is high in vitamin C and fiber. It's very good for people that want to lose weight. You can eat it. It's highly nutritious and yet you will not add weight. I'm grating my beetroot. You can give your beetroot or your salad any shape you want your vegetables and fruits to be. This is how I cut my cabbage. You make the slice as thin as possible. It gives it that beautiful shape after cutting everything together. I'm done with grating the beetroot. I'm grating my carrots. I'm going to pour in some salad cream in a bowl. Then I'll add some baked bean to it. I'm going to mix the quantity I'll be needing for my salad cream. Don't mix all your salad at once. Mix the ones you are going to eat at that particular day and keep others fresh. I don't add any extra thing to my salad cream. Some people add sugar, but I like my salad cream and my salad as healthy as possible. So I avoid sugar and all the rest. Make sure your hands are very clean, your palms are clean, your nails are clean before doing this. You know that we are not going to cook this salad. It's not going to be placed in the fire to kill any germs in case you add any germs to your salad. So please be very careful to avoid food poisoning or any kind of bacterial infection. Okay, make sure your hands are clean. Make sure the knife you sliced your stuff or your grater is also very clean. I'm not going to mix the salad and cream all together. I'm going to just bring out the ones I'll be needing for our lunch today. I'm just going to use that particular portion and mix it with the cream. I'm not going to mix the cream and all the salad together. That is not okay. Just mix the quantity you'll be needing at that point with cream. I'm going to add the quantity we'll be needing for today's lunch in a separate bowl. That is where I'm going to pour in some mixed salad cream to it. You don't need to mix all your salad. You don't need to put too much cream. The essence of having a salad is to make it as healthy as possible, because we humans consume a lot of carbs, a lot of carbohydrates, and saturated fats here and there. That is why you have to make your salad as healthy as possible so that your body will thank you. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Hope you guys out there enjoyed my video. Please watch to the end. This video is very short and it's quite interesting. This is how to make Nigerian salad. You place the rest in the fridge. If you want the mixed salad to be cold fast, you add it to the freezer. This is my end product. I ate it with fried rice. Hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not subscribed. See you in my next video. Bye.